Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a good news, and here's the good news. You can see here I've received an email from the funded trader saying phase 2 passed. Dear Steven, congratulations on the successful completion of phase 2. You are now under review to become funded trader. I have successfully passed the funded traders phase 2 challenge, and it hasn't been easy for me because I've had a series of losses. I had to take a break to reevaluate my losing trades and then get to know what I was not doing right. I got to know my mistakes and I adjusted. So with that, I was able to recover my loss, and I also passed the challenge by getting a profit of $2,500. If I scroll down, you will see they said you will find your certificate for successfully passing the standard challenge in a separate email. And they also said once we have received your document and signed agreement, we will move forward with our funding and approval process. If you would like an update on when your account will be sent out, please reach out to our live support chat to get your scheduled date. Now here is my dashboard. You can see the graph here shows that I was down for a while before recovering back and hitting the target. I had a total of 16 trades. Now if you look at this graph, it's on my seventh trade that I was down. I lost $2,600, but I was able to recover back to 49,800. I also traded my account to 51,900 and up to $52,683. If I scroll down, you can see the goal meter for this phase is 2,500, and I've made $2,530. My daily loss is still $0. My daily breach level 49.374. My maximum loss is still at $0.00, and the active trading days is complete. You can see time since inception is 6 days. It means I successfully passed this phase in 6 days. You can see my win rate and loss rate is 56. My loss rate is 44%. Let me quickly show you my trade. Here is my account history. If I scroll down below, here are all the trades that I've entered, and it will show you the profits and losses that I made. Now these are the losses that made me lose $2,600. I lost $437 and also $495, and then gained $338. I then lost $704. I lost $1,200. I lost $87. This was when I knew that I wasn't doing something right. I had to take a little break, reevaluate my trades and my strategy, and find out what I was doing wrong. After that, I traded and I made a profit of $1,198. I also made a profit of $1,274. I then lost $75. Now if I go to page 2, here is page 2. I also made $2,157. You can see how I was able to recover from losing $2,600 to gaining and growing my account back to $50,000. Here I lost $111. I made a profit of 442, 110, 120, and lastly 156. This last trade is the trade that made me hit $52,500. So I will be back with another video to show you all my live account, and I will also update you on the giveaway that I earlier told you, the 50k giveaway account that I promised one lucky subscriber here. So if you have not been commenting and liking my previous videos about trading for the funded trader, then go back and do so, because those are some of the things that can actually get you to win this account. So back to my dashboard here. Up here you can see they said account status is passed. So Congratulations to myself, and thank you to you all that have been commenting on my previous videos and liking it. You all have encouraged me and have given me the right motivation to do this. So thank you so much. And please, if this is your first time on my channel, like this video and subscribe and click the notification icon so that you will not miss out on any videos. And also follow me on Instagram, Steven_TeamDefX. Our Trading Academy's IG page is TeamDefX_Academy. Our Facebook page is also TeamDefX. So like and follow us on all social media handles.